Welcome to the Royal Abode of Ahmedabad, Rajyash Regius. I'm Tarun Shah, Project Manager at Rajyash Regius. Let's begin our tour with a quick look at carpentry, where artisans are working hard building a masterpiece. Our electricians' meticulous work ensures safety and efficient power supply throughout the building. Up next, floor waterproofing, an essential and important task that ensures long-lasting protection. Flooring, where the installation of the foundation of your luxurious interiors begins. Our commitment to your safety and aesthetics of your future homes begins right here with rigorous quality checks. Finally, painting, where our professional painters are applying premium paint with precision. At Rajyash Regius, every step embodies excellence. Our show houses are now ready for your viewing and experiential pleasure. Details are in the caption.